Want to quit your job or whatever unwanted situation you have faster? Well, in this video, pay close attention because I'm going to be discussing what are high-ticket affiliate products and commissions and how they will lead you to your financial goals faster. I 100% agree that high-ticket products and services are 1,000% better than any product that you'll promote on Amazon or ClickBank. I remember when I was first getting started with marketing online and affiliate marketing online, I was like many of you, and I'm like, oh, I'm scared to promote something that has a really high price point because I wasn't confident enough and I didn't know the difference between a low ticket product and a high ticket product. But once I finally got confident enough to switch the traffic and to start promoting these high ticket products and services, it was definitely life changing and helped me achieve my financial goals faster and helped me get out of debt, all that great stuff, and I'm sure it could do the same for you. So I'm Marissa Romero. Stay tuned for this video as we talk more about this subject. All right, so let's talk about what a high ticket product or service is. And my definition of what it is a product or service that is life changing. I'll repeat, a product or service that is life changing. Now, people have many pain points and many problems in their lives, and they're looking for your help, your brand, your services to help them solve their problems and their pain points in their life that they've been having for many, many years and can't seem to solve by themselves. And those problems, of course, are, anywhere in the relationship category, the wealth category, health, fitness. These are the most popular categories that have the most amount of pain points and problems with people in their lives. And people don't want another ebook. They don't want another cheat sheet. They don't want any of these lower ticket offers that won't solve anything. Not to bash those lower ticket products or anything at all. I mean, I still have those type of products of my own, but there's a huge difference in what those will offer versus a high ticket product or service. So let's look at some examples right now of what you can expect from a high ticket product or service. So the first type is a done for you service, all right? And so let's take an example of real estate agents. If you are a real estate agent, you have to start as a beginner, right? And of course you want to make it up high enough to where you're making a bunch of sales per month, and you want to get to the level of the experienced real estate agents as quick as possible. So that's where the real estate agent with a lot of experience could create a whole course or a whole program teaching the beginner real estate agents how they do it. Now, are they going to give this information away for 50 bucks, 100 bucks? No, because this system is helping these experienced real estate agents make well over 6 figures per year, and they're not just going to give it away. So maybe that done for you service looks like a program that costs $3,000, and it includes giving away marketing strategy, branding advice, how to do Facebook ads for real estate agents, copywriting, all that good stuff. All right, so the second type of high ticket product or service you can expect is a digital course with group coaching. Now, Kat Howell, she's one of the powerhouse women in the industry for Facebook ads agencies and teaching people how to build their own Facebook ad agencies. And I actually was on a sales call with one of her representatives just to find out more about her program. And her programs are not cheap. They cost $5,000 up to $9,000, I think. And that's for like a 6-week program. It's intensive where they teach you how to get your first clients, how to run Facebook ads, how to get great clients results right off the bat. So that is not cheap at all. She's got a ton of testimonials and a ton of people that love her products, and most importantly, testimonials that say that her program has changed their lives and helped them get their first clients and their first high ticket paying customers. And the last example I want to give you of a high ticket service or product is a mastermind or a live event where you're in person with people, you can learn and network with people in person, and it's kind of like a conference style event where you go and you spend a few days learning from the best of the best. And you can market these types of projects on a website called CJ Affiliate. They're very popular for having affiliates promote their mastermind and their events. And masterminds and conferences and events like that are never cheap. I mean, they're at least $5,000 up to $20,000 to go and attend a live event. Okay, so to put some numbers into perspective for you guys, from a low ticket cost item to a high ticket cost item, let's look at the example of an affiliate product that costs somebody $60 and you would get a $30 commission at a 50% commission rate. So assuming industry standards that products convert 1 to 2%, let's go on the higher side of 2% just to be optimistic and to assume that you chose the right product to promote. So how many sales will you need to accomplish your goal of $10,000 per month? You will need approximately 334 sales on this product per month to achieve $10,000 per month. Now, I don't know about you, that's a lot of sales. I don't think I've made that amount of sales per month even when I was doing e-commerce, okay? So if you break that down per day, that's 11 sales per day, and that is about 550 leads that you will need per day, because assuming that 2 people out of 100 leads will convert and buy this product, that's going to take a long time to acquire that amount of lead flow. I'm not even close to acquiring that amount of lead flow in my business per day. All right, so let's look at a better example of a product we're promoting that costs $500. So we'd get a $250 commission. Now, assuming the 2% conversion rate, we would need approximately 40 sales per month to achieve our goal of 10 grand per month in profit. That's approximately 1.3 sales per day, and that's approximately 67 leads that you will need per day. Now, the numbers look better, they do, but 67 leads per day is still pretty hefty, especially if you're starting out as a beginner. All right, so now let's look at the high ticket products that you are promoting, right? So we're gonna look at a product that costs $2,500 for the visitors that are wanting to buy, and that is a commission for you of $1,250. That's a good chunk of change. So to achieve your goal of 10 grand per month, you will need 8 sales per month. So that's an average of 2 sales per week, and that's an average of approximately 15 leads that you will need to achieve per day. Now, I don't know about you guys, but 15 leads per day versus 550 leads per day is way better. That sounds so much better to me, you guys. So I don't care what industry you're in, whether you're in health, wealth, fitness, meditation, whatever it is, you have to be promoting a high ticket affiliate program to really boost those sales and the profit in your online business. Now, I need your guys' help. Comment below if you can think of a high ticket program in any niche that you know about. I really try to know all of the different types of programs that are out there. All right, so now you might be thinking, well, how the heck do I set up a sales funnel or something to capture these visitors and to promote a high ticket product service to them? Well, let me explain what that looks like, a simple high ticket affiliate funnel. Well, first, of course, you have your traffic. So you're gonna have your traffic, and the best traffic to get the fastest amount and the most qualified leads first is SEO traffic. So either from a blog that you're doing or a YouTube channel that you're producing. So the next part of the funnel will be the opt-in page, right? So where are you going to collect your leads? You're gonna need to have a landing page, an enticing title to collect those leads. From the opt-in, it is going to go to a pre-sale / bridge video, and this is your opportunity to really convert the sale and sell the product before they actually know what the affiliate link or the product it is that you're trying to promote or sell. Now, this is a more advanced step, but the next step in your funnel would be the pre-qualification phase, which means you qualify this lead even more and get them more excited to see the product, because you would either do maybe a mini chat bot series where you would take them through a mini chat flow, or you could give them a questionnaire to fill out, or you can give them a quiz to fill out, just something that will make them more interested in what it is you're offering. And at that point, you would send them to your offer and your affiliate link. All right, so the last tip that I have for you guys with getting and receiving the most high ticket commissions possible is to create your own personal bonuses. Now, I don't want to explain too much in depth because I have an entire video on this exact topic, but essentially what you would do is create bonuses to give to people to incentivize them, and it would be a free thing that you would give them that would be included in their purchase, and it would be a product that you would create on your own that would complement the product that you are promoting. So maybe you're promoting a high-level Facebook ads agency course, and you would throw in your information about how you optimize different audiences and what are the best, split testing techniques for different Facebook ad strategies. I don't know, something like that. But check out that video after this one, because I go more in depth on how you can create your own bonuses fast. So guys, I really hope you got value from this video and it opens your eyes to the high ticket world and why you should start to switch your traffic now to a higher ticket offer. The main point of this video is it takes the same amount of effort to promote a product like this on Amazon, a microphone that costs $40 versus a product that costs $2,500, and you should not be scared to do it and switch your traffic. So my name is Marissa Romero. If you guys got value from this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell because it helps support the channel and our growth in delivering value to you. If you'd like to find out more information about high ticket programs, how it works, more training, click the first link in the description to find out more. I will see you guys on the next video. I'm Marissa. Take care.